Hey, what's going on? You know, just check it out. It's a beautiful day today. Like, it just rained yesterday, and it's amazing today. So this is what we're doing today. This is going to be another Tuesday video. I'm going to help a friend out. You know, he's got a Lexus IS250, and he's putting new headlights in for his wife. So I'm going to help him install those. We're not going to do an install video on that, but I am going to introduce some of the other products that I just purchased and give you kind of a little update on what I'm doing. And then next Thursday will be a install video on the new 40-inch LED light bar from Lasfit. It's a single row. Thing is amazing. And I'll be installing it on the Lexus. Have you ever had like a bonehead moment?
A bonehead moment? A bonehead moment?
Where you just, you think that you kind of know what you're doing, but then you're like, oh yeah, I got this. And then when you go to finish it all up, it's not what it is. Yeah, that's me. So not on the install of those headlights. I did that fine because, I don't know, maybe I get it. I know how to install headlights. Not that hard. No. So I try to do a time lapse on shooting the video for, you know, installing the headlights. And yeah, so when I had time lapse, I did time lapse photos. So I ended up with about 5,000 photos of the installation when I should have did time lapse video. And then I would have had probably 4 or 5 videos. So what we'll do is I'll throw up those 15 photos and then we'll roll into some of the items I purchased. And I'll give you a little B-roll action at the end. For those of you that are out there and, you know, just kind of want some firsthand knowledge about how this, it was a 2010 IS250. And if you just want, you know, just my opinion on it, these depot headlights, they're awesome. They work really good. That has little daytime running lights. I can see where if you put some LED bulbs in there, that might actually, you know, might make those lights a little brighter. Because on this particular model, they're using the halogen bulbs. And those lights actually, the depot lights actually came with bulbs installed. So, not bad. You know, making these Tuesday videos, actually, it's kind of fun. It's more of like a vlog style, right? Like I get to just kind of be myself instead of just doing your typical DIY stuff. I like doing the DIY stuff. I like also introducing new products. You know, just talking about 100 series Land Cruiser stuff. Or LX470s. So on the last Tuesday episode, I introduced the 40-inch LED light bar from Lasfit, LED lighting. And on Thursday is when I'm actually going to install it into the LX470. And it's going to go right into this. So this right here is a cutout for the windscreen on the LX470. It's going to go right there in the front, so the light bar will be sitting on top. Next week's video is solely going to be about the Lasfit light bar. This will just be in there, so I have some place to mount it, but I will be talking about the Pro Speed roof rack, this cutout, how I mounted it to it on a separate video. We're really just gonna talk about just the light bar. So I was trolling Instagram and I found this company out there called Cruiser Garage. Now, they make a bunch of different products for Land Cruisers. The one thing that caught my eye was their AC drain line kit. Now, if you own a 100 series Land Cruiser, the LX470, and you live in an area that has a lot of precipitation or humidity, you're going to get a lot of condensation coming out of that drain line. And plus all the precipitation on the roadways, it's just going to accelerate the rust that can occur right there on the passenger side sway bar bracket. It's actually what holds the sway bar up to the frame of the vehicle. And I'll post some pictures once I do an install of this particular product. But basically it's a hose with an elbow. I was so gracious that they hooked me up with a bunch of decals in this sweet Cruiser Garage shirt. I will be installing this probably within the next couple weeks, so stay tuned from that video. But in the meantime, you guys can check out Cruiser Garage on Instagram or on the web. Hey, thanks for watching the video, and I'll see you on the next one.